I have a meeting with the sponsor on Friday and need to present a completed schedule. How are those task estimates coming?
I'm analyzing the work that needs to be done but still do not have good enough understanding to provide an estimate.
It should not take longer to do the estimates than it would take to do the work.
But I don't want to give you estimates that are not realistic and then get in trouble when we can't meet the schedule.
The project will be in more trouble if I cannot provide the sponsor with a schedule by the time of our meeting. The purpose of the schedule is to provide a reasonable estimate of the time and resources needed to get the work done. Precision is not necessary nor expected at this time.
But I only work in precision. My goal is perfect code, therefore it makes sense that I should want to provide perfect estimates.
I understand the desire. I need to figure out how to convince you it is okay to not be exact. I expect estimates to get refined and be more accurate as you get further into the work. This could even mean doubling a task or two. Have you ever heard of the cone of uncertainty?
No. Is that like the cone of silence from Get Smart? I've always wanted one of those.
Cute, but no. The cone of uncertainty states that a project's estimates can be 2 times less or 5 times more than originally guessed when the project was just an idea. At this point of the project, I would give an uncertainty of 25% less or 2 times more than the estimate you provide for each task. Additional contingency will be built into the schedule to accommodate this.
That would make sense, but I don't know how to estimate without being precise.
Being precise would be worse at this point of the project. It means I will delay getting the schedule to the sponsor and not meeting her expectations. It will create a false sense of security that we know the final schedule when in truth, too much is uncertain. And research has shown that the more precise an estimate is, the less accurate it is.
Okay, but how do I create less precise estimates?
There are a lot of techniques available such as shared sizing, Fibonacci code, planning poker, PERT, and parametric estimating, just to name a few common tools that can help you estimate faster.
Intriguing. Where can I get more information, figure out which one to use and how?
You can search the internet on these terms. But I am more than happy to work with you to figure out the best technique for your situation and get you started.
That would be great. Do you have time tomorrow?
For you, I will make time. I'll book a conference room and send you a meeting notice.
Thank you, Prudence. I am feeling a bit better.
You are welcome, Dave. I think this will be good.